I'm Jessie from the Swing Project, and in this video we're looking at variations for our 8-count Lindy Hop footwork. Let's try substituting our step-step for a heel-heel toe-toe variation. Let's recap our 8-count basic footwork, starting on the right foot. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step with the counts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The variation we're going to play with is something I like to call heel, heel, toe, toe. Starting on the right foot, we go up onto our heels, heel, heel, toe, toe. We pop our weight into the backs of our feet so we can balance on those heels, heel, heel, and replace our weight, toe, toe, into the balls of our feet coming back down. We're using a little staggered rhythm for this, and 1 and 2, which means that when we pop it with the rhythm all together, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Give it a try. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2. Let's try it with our 8-count footwork. We'll do one basic and then pop in the variation. 5, 6, 5, 6, here we go. Step, step, triple, step, step, give it a try. Heel, heel, toe, toe, triple, step, step, triple, heel, heel, toe, toe, triple, step, step, triple, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now give that variation a try to one of your favourite swing tracks, and I'll see you in part 2.